everyone, welcome back to Abra Knowledge channel. Today's topic is Notepad++. I have taken directly from Wikipedia and it says the Notepad++ is a text. The same like Notepad, generally how you use it, which you can take any notes, you can take any minutes, you can take, when you wanted to take any reference and all that, how Notepad is being used exactly in the same thing you can use it, but plus plus. Why it says plus plus? Simply because it supports course code editor also as well. So simply because it all these languages, right, whether you have C, C++, or Java, HTML, hypertext markup language, or any of these things which it is being listed here, all being supported by Node++. You can just have an entry. For example, you're writing some sentence and then you wanted to create a syntax you wanted to create, or you wanted to create a formula, or you wanted to create an expressions, and you wanted to create a coding. All these can be done with the help of Node++. Okay, let's go in detail a little bit, talk about this one. And it also says that Node++ is distributed as a free software, and you can download it directly from the Microsoft Office, or you can go to the web and download it. But I feel much better to do it in the Microsoft Office, where you can go and have already, this is my Microsoft Office. Let me go to Microsoft Office. Yeah, Microsoft Store. In from the Microsoft Store, you can have it downloaded. So I have already downloaded this app. That's the reason it says this product is already installed. Okay, let's come back to the Wikipedia, and it also says that it has been 28 millions been downloaded this wonderful app. Okay, and it also has features. The features include auto save. We can do, we can run the macros, and you can do simultaneously editing. You and your colleagues and your friends and all people wanted to do it editing simultaneously, this can be very much possible. Split screen editing, synchronized scrolling, all this is possible. And also it has the plugins also as well. Plugins like it also supports the macro, and plugins like it also have a couple of plugins, and that we can also support it. So it's a remarkably incredible applications, and I would like to show quick example of what I have done using Node++. Okay, so this is the output of Node++. You can see that this is the text is coming up in the Chrome. Welcome to Abra Knowledge channel. Today's video is all about Node++. If Node++ does not support the launch to browser option, then first you save the file as htm dot. Okay, I will be talking about this, how to create the codings, how to write the HTML and all that in the next video. So this video is intended to discuss about what is Node++ and how to download this Node++. And I will be making another video. We'll talk a little bit about more in detail hands-on experience with Node++. I hope you enjoy this video. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have wonderful